Today I want to talk about fact families and how we can turn a missing addend problem into a subtraction problem. So we're going to start here first with just the fact family. It's very easy for us to show our children that 2 plus 4 is going to equal 6. They can put them together, they can see that answer. We can also easily show them that it does not matter what order we add the numbers in, it still adds up to 6. Even with the subtraction portion, we can see if you have 6 and you take away 2, you're going to end up with 4. And if you take away the 4, you're going to end up with 2. Those parts are fairly easy to understand. The trick, I find, comes when we have a missing addend problem and we don't know how or why to turn this into a subtraction problem. And that's what I want to show you today. So to help students understand this concept, I'm taking away the numbers and just using some manipulatives. So if I have 2 yellow bears and 4 blue bears, that equals 6 bears altogether. We're still in the same place. My question is, since this sign here tells us that this is the same as this, the things on both sides of the equal sign are the same or equal, what will happen if I put a red bear on this side of my equation? What do I need to do to keep it equal and balanced? And kids can tell you, you need to put a red bear on the other side. Absolutely I do. What if I take away bears from this side? What do I need to do to keep this equal? I need to take away the same number of bears from the other side. So now let's go back to our numbers. Now with little kids, you would probably practice this several times and let them work on this with their own manipulatives, but you're grown-ups. All right, so now let's look at a missing addend problem, knowing what we already know about doing things to both sides of the equal sign. So if I look at this statement, 4 plus I don't know what equals 6, I need to do something to discover what's equal here. So I am going to take away 4 from this side. That will tell me what this number is. But if I take away 4 from this side of the equation, I need to take away 4 from this side of the equation. And suddenly what we have is 6, take away 4, equals our answer. So let's do it with the other equation. I am going to take this number out. It really doesn't matter which addend is missing because we're going to follow the same rule of understanding our equal sign tells us to do the same thing on both sides. So 2 and something equals 6. I want to know this something number. So I've got 2 here that I have to take away. So I am going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to take away 2 to find out what this number is. And my number is 4. So how does this relate to our fact families? Well, let's have a look at our problems, our subtraction problems. We've got the 6, take away 2 equals 4, which is what we just did here. 6, take away 2. We can move this equal sign over here. And now here's our same answer down here, another part of our fact family. And of course, we could also do 6 take away 4 equals 2. So as you can see, these facts really are related. I hope that helps you help your students understand what's going on with that equal sign and how to solve missing addend problems. Have a great day.